Hello guys, this video will study how to do data manipulation using Smowcode Studio. So let's get started. Here I have connected potentiometer with my microcontroller which reads the analog value of my potentiometer and converts to its digital value. So let's take a monitor with node. Take an analog read node to read the analog value and convert to digital. It's a ABC node. Configure the node and specify the pin which you are reading. I'm selecting at pin number 26. Click Add and down to get digital value. Here the analog value will be in range of 0 to something 4000, which I want to this will be the scale, and I want to convert the scale to 1 to 100. To convert the scale, I will take a map node. First, I will take a display num node. Here, I will pass the digital value variable. I will label it as digital value. Let's take a map node which will map our value to a different scale. Here, in the end, I will pass digital value. So, our initial scale is 0 and our initial scale range starts from 0 to 4095. I want to map it to a scale of 0 to 100. So, I will take one more display node, connect with the flow. In the number, I will pass map number, and here I will write map to value label. Map to value. Click on done. Save the flow, verify the flow, and we are good to upload it. Go to save display. As you can see, the digital value is 4095, which is mapped to value 100. Let's change the resistance of our potentiometer. As we can see, the digital value is 750 and it is mapped at a scale of 0 to 100, and the mapped value is 31315.